Well, it's another beautiful day at the boat, and getting the alternator installed right there. So, got a couple bolts. We have a brand new alternator. Have to align the belt in the back. And, she should go. I'm thinking motor's been firing up really good. Really good. And if we get the alternator installed, we'll keep charging the battery. And this should be good to go. Hopefully today we'll get to step the mast up. That all depends on Ryan. And he's the crane operator, and today it's about 93 degrees. The boat's comfortable though. I mean, I have a fan in the front hatch, and it really is comfortable down here. I can't complain. You come down to a boat to be warm. If I want to be air cold, I'd stay home and sit in the air conditioning and watch a movie. But today's the day to be at the boat, so let's get this done and fire it up.